there will be a hardship going uphill, but that is what makes them resilient. Resiliency is what's going to be needed to compete. Most general education would be the inclusion piece of it, would be something.
Even to an extent, I remember in your master classes, so the professor didn't know what to teach, how to teach you.
Yeah.
But you did most of the things on your
own.
I'll give you an example. Pearson, he wanted us to learn. He was teaching us baseline regression. Teach kar raha tha. He didn't. I kept on telling Irani professor. It was very nice, very kind. But he didn't know how to teach me. वो दिखा रहा है, he's like, come here and he'll tell me, he's like, oh, I'm like, don't worry. By tomorrow I'll learn. What I didn't realize was that YouTube pe every single lesson was there from somebody in India, Pakistan, China, Germany. I learned Pearson regression. Next day I went and did a Pearson regression, which was a different level of regression than the more advanced.